on that bevel.
There.
Okay, perfect. Now,
How is that wood already so?
down to that line. And for our purposes here today, we're gonna call that good.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Wow.
And then we're just gonna rotate. That space to not run the drill into the bevel.
Looking good.
That look there. Looks good. Excellent.
For my glue up, I need a hammer so I can drive the legs home and
Ball peen or?
drive the wedges with hide glue. This is a liquid hide glue. Actually make it tighter by having a whole bunch of glue. Now the drawback to that is that I have a bunch of squeeze out. I waste some glue that way and I have a bigger mess to pick up. Okay, so that's cool for number one. My kerf is now, whoop, see, square and dicular to my grain.
Yep.
And, oh, I'm a little bit looser than I would like to be. Before any of this, so this is all uncharted territories. Now, kerf, perpendicular, and one of these has a really rough spot on it, and I want to make sure that rough spot is to the inside where it's going to be kind of hidden. Okay, so that one's home. Yep, so bring it around and perpendicular, and in we go. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna be okay no matter what.
Yeah, I can vacuum. Yeah.
That like having hopefully like some African. And I had Anna do it today because I know
A lot of work for
with woodworking everything is experimentation.
Yeah.
I